Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to start this lesson with just counting to 30. This is different from counting out a number of objects. So this is called rote counting, when we just count in our head, count the numbers correctly from 1 to 30. That's all you really need to count to that high for pre-K. Of course, we know numbers go on and on and on. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So of course we could count all the way. Some of you already know how to count to 100, and that's awesome. So our number talk today is for number 9. We write a 9 like this: a loop and a line, that's a 9. It's like a circle at the top. A loop, they call it a loop, and a line, that's a 9, right? We write the word 9 as N-I-N-E. Let's see if this will make sense. N-I-N-E. All right. On the tens frame, help me count up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What would come after 9? Right, it would be 10, wouldn't it? All right, this is our number line. We start here, we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we hop forward on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I think I'm going to draw 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Also included in today's lesson, we're going to go ahead and do sounds first for week 8, day 5. This is week 8, day 5. Yesterday we did day 4. So remember, the first part are the rhyming words. I'll say the sentence and then you repeat after me. Then we clap out the rhyming words. Ready? The bun is not done cooking. Bun, done. Good. We lug the rug upstairs. Lug, rug. We have to be brave in the cave. Brave, cave. Good. Did the kid win the race? Did, kid. And the last part of this section is the class sat in the grass. Class, grass. Good. Now, The next part is the two-syllable words, words that have two parts, two word parts. So, I'll say the sentence and then you repeat after me, and then we'll do the two syllables like this and put the word together. All right. The carpet is soft. Carpet, carpet. Remember, you copy what I do, right? I look at the menu at the restaurant. Men-you, menu. All right. I wore a fancy dress to the party. Fan-see, fancy. Okay. There is a poster on the wall. Poster, poster. Good. And the last one of the two-syllable words is, I have a nickel in my pocket. Nickel, nickel. Very good. Next part we go to, we get the first sound of the word. Remember, we snatch the first sound of the word. The first word is watch. It could be something you use to tell time on your arm, or it could be something you do when you look. You watch something, or you watch television, or you watch the video. All right, so the word watch begins with W. So I'm going to, and W says, wha. It's a real soft sound. Wha. So I'm going to get the W in the word watch. Watch. You try. Watch. Good. And the next word is which. I'm going to get the W at the beginning. Itch. Very good. The next two words begin with S. S makes the sound S. The first word is sit. So I'm going to get the S at the beginning of the word sit. It. It. All right. And the next word is sat. At. At makes the word sat. All right. The next two words begin with R. R makes the sound R. R. Sounds like almost like a lion, like grr. R. All right. So first word is red, like the color red, roja. I'm going to get the R. Ed. Ed. Red. And the next word is rid. When you get rid of something, you throw it away. So I'm going to get the R. Id. Id. Rid. Now let's get the end of those words. The first word, remember, was watch, and we got the W at the beginning. Now we're going to get the CH at the end. C and H together says ch. Ch. So I'm going to get the end of the word watch. Watch. You try. Watch. Good. And the second W word was which. 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 Good job. I can hear you saying it already. I wish I could hear you saying it with me. I'm going to try to work on getting something on the Zoom so we can all see each other later this week, I hope. All right. Now, the next words were sit and sat, and they end with the letter T, and T says T. So I'm going to get the end of the word sit. Sit. And the end of the word sat. Sat. All right. And the last words were read and rid. Both of those words end with the letter D, and D sounds like D. So let's get the end of the word read. Read. And the end of the word rid. Rid. Good. Now, the next thing and the last thing is the alliteration, and most of the words in this sentence begin with the letter W. So, if I can get this straight, we're going to do Wilma wants watermelon while watching whales. That's a hard sentence to say, so let me say it again. And then you repeat it to me. Wilma wants watermelon while watching whales. And all of those are W words. That's hard to write. Let's see, W. W is another soft sound. It says what. So say it with me. What. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start week 9 on the sounds first. Be safe. I miss you.